Hello friends, Prashant Patel here, physical therapist, and welcome to my YouTube channel, Alid Physio. Hope you all are healthy and safe. In today's situation, everyone is suffering from some kind of stress, be it physical stress, mental stress, financial stress, fear and anxiety from getting infected in this pandemic situation. So in today's video, I am going to discuss regarding few quick tips which are very helpful to kick out this stress. In today's video, I am going to teach you few breathing techniques which are very helpful to calm down your mind, body and relieve the stress. By these breathing exercises, within few minutes you will energize your body. By these techniques, you will actively heal your mind and body. It will boost your immunity. It will strengthen both your mind and body. So without wasting much time, let's see the techniques. So first one is 4-7-8 techniques. In this technique, what you have to do, you have to breathe in for 4 seconds, then hold this breath for 7 seconds and then exhale for 8 seconds. Like breathe in for 4 seconds, then hold for 7 seconds, then exhale through your mouth for 8 seconds. Like let me demonstrate once again. So this is first technique. Now the second one is Buteyko breathing technique. In this technique, what you have to do, you have to take 3 to 5 normal breaths, then you have to take one shallow breath in, then breathe out, and with empty lung you have to hold your breath. For example, take 4 to 5 normal breaths, then take one shallow breath, breathe out, now hold. You have to hold like this for 5 to 10 seconds. Do it again. Now a shallow breath, breathe out, hold. For progression, you can gradually increase this breath holding time. First you practice for 5 to 10 seconds, then you can increase it up to 15 to 20 seconds and you can take it up to a minute. The point is you have to do it comfortably, don't overstress yourself. Now the third technique, it is simple breath hold. You have to do 3 to 5 normal breath in, breath out, then you have to take a deep breath in, then hold your breath for 30 to 40 seconds. First you can start from 10 to 15 seconds, then gradually according to your capacity you can increase up to 1 minute, 2 minutes, whatever you can do it. So first do 5 to 6 normal breathe in and breathe out, now take a deep breath in, hold. In this technique, make sure that you don't use your accessory respiratory muscles of your chest. Don't do like this. Just comfortably breathe in. Comfortably breathe through your nose and expand your lungs. You can also keep your hands on your abdomen and try to feel that expansion. Breathe out. Now breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Relax. Now the fourth technique, that is simple deep breathing exercise. Take a deep breath in through your nose and breathe out through your mouth, like in this you can also do Omkar chantings. So these are the 4 breathing exercise techniques. Start practicing individual technique for 10 to 15 minutes. You can take it up to 30 to 40 minutes, or you can combine 2 to 3 techniques from this, all the 4 techniques, and practice individual technique from 10 minutes and make a session of 30 to 40 minutes. This will be very helpful to calm down your overall body physiology. The point is, it will stimulate your parasympathetic nervous system, the nervous system which is responsible to calm down your body systems. It will reduce your blood pressure, it will reduce your pulse rate, and research has shown that just 30 minutes of meditation can reduce the systolic blood pressure by 10 to 15 mm Hg and diastolic pressure by 5 mm of Hg. These breathing exercises will re-energize and rejuvenate your entire body. It will improve your entire body physiology. So that's it for today's video. Practice it every day and relieve your stress. Hope you like the video. If you like the video, then like and share, and subscribe my channel Elite Physio and press the bell icon so that you keep updated with the upcoming videos. Till then, stay happy and healthy. Bye bye.